Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You are welcome in Islam education system. We have learned in our first lecture that human nervous system is consist of central nervous system CNS and peripheral nervous system PNS. We have also studied in detail in second lecture of nervous system that central nervous system is composed of brain and spinal cord. Today we will be discussing about peripheral nervous system PNS and working model of the nervous system. Peripheral nervous system PNS, a network of nerves which connect the central nervous system, brain and spinal cord to all parts of the body is called peripheral nervous system PNS. Dear students, we know nerves. We have already learned that the axons that travel a common route are bundled together to form nerves, which transmits messages from one part of body to another. Cranial nerves, the nerves which arise from brain, are called cranial nerves. There are 12 pairs of cranial nerves in human body. Spinal nerves, the nerves which arise from the spinal cord, are called spinal nerves. There are 31 pairs of spinal nerves in human body. Now we discuss about working model of the nervous system. The following 3 steps are involved in working model of the nervous system. The sensory neurons carry the messages regarding stimuli in the form of nerve impulses from receptors to central nervous system. Students, we will discuss about stimuli and receptors in detail in upcoming slide. The central nervous system processes the messages and transmits the nerve impulses to motor neurons. The motor neurons carry nerve impulses to the parts of the body, that is called effectors, which produce responses. Nervous system in the human body detects the changes in environment, external or internal, and produces response to the changes. We have seen that this process precedes the following steps: stimulus, receptor, coordinator, CNS, effectors, and response. Definition of different terms used in this process are as follows. Receptors. The special organs, tissues or cells in human body which detect any change in the environment are called receptors. For example, skin, nose, ears, eyes. Stimulus, stimuli, any change in the environment that can be detected by a receptor to initiate a nerve impulse is called stimulus. Stimulus is singular and its plural is stimuli. For example, heat, cold, pressure, sound waves, etc. Now students, we see what are effectors. The parts of human body which produce responses to the stimuli are called effectors. Muscles and glands in the body act as effectors. Human nervous system controls following 2 types of body actions: voluntary actions and involuntary actions. The actions which we consciously do are called voluntary actions. In other words, the body actions which are performed with the involvement of thinking process are called voluntary actions. For example, clapping, crying, eating, slapping, typing, running, speaking, walking, burst into tears, etc. All these are voluntary actions. Involuntary actions. The actions which we unconsciously do are called involuntary actions. In other words, the body actions which are performed without involvement of thinking process are called involuntary actions. For example, breathing, blinking of eyes, heartbeat, coughing, sneezing, movement of small intestine, etc. Dear students, listen this lecture again and again for best understanding. You may ask any question in comment box relating to the topic. You may get online education through SNUM education system in all subjects relating to science, MBA and law. Dear students, to watch all our latest videos, do subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Please press bell icon and don't forget to comment, like and share our videos on YouTube. We will soon join inshallah for next lecture on nervous system. Till then, Allah Hafiz.